All right, I can see it now again.
Okay, okay. If you can see all these, so let me just pick over here. So 2y, and we are just putting these two lines parallel, and then what is that? That is the extract of the statement. I am not reading the statement. I'm just putting the information
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is necessary to solve this one. So here, when you have this value, so this is the simple one. Okay,
Okay.
just solve it.
Okay, let me do this. So 2 plus -6 and 2 right. Oh wait, this is just 8, right?
Think about
Or is
that.
it of oh wait, you have to subtract. Never mind. So okay, so it's 4.
So what is
Just
your
4, right?
choice? Answer is, let me write that. What is the answer? So what is your answer? I am also
I got
doing my mental calculation. Or let me check, verify your answer. So what is your answer? Let me tell.
uh 4.
4. Your answer is 4. That way, here
Yeah.
we should write 4. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Yes, absolutely right. So, because
Okay.
this is the absolute value.
Value,
So,
yeah.
there is no concept, because if you have this x, so automatically either negative or positive. So, you will have to take the answer as a positive. What I mean to say, that absolute value is always positive. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
if you have a negative sign over here, let's suppose this time you have -4 and you have two mods over there. So this absolute, the modulus value of this is +4. So this is absolutely right answer. Are you getting this? Okay.
Yeah, I am.
Yes. Now let's see. The next one is simple. If I can draw a little bit drawing over here. My drawing is not good, but anyhow, I'm just going to draw this figure because this figure is very important. So what we can say, this one and this one and this one and this. So what type of this figure is? Can you?
Is that and wait, how many sides is that? One, two, three.
Okay.
Uh, that's 6 sides. So,
6 sides. Okay. The one thing is that I couldn't draw. It's a freehand drawing. So all these
yeah.
sides are equal.
Okay, yeah, that
So
makes
just
sense.
think
Yeah.
about, these are the equal, although these are not looking equal, but anyhow, these are the equal. So we have what we can call it, not a pentagon, it's a hexagon. Am I right?
Yeah, I think so. Pentagon is 5. I think yeah,
Okay, yes,
hexagon is
hexagon. So if we have this figure hexagon, then what we'll have to do, so the regular hexagon, yes, it's a regular hexagon. Regular mean all the sides are equal. So
equal. Exactly. Yep.
the parameter of the hexagon, that is parameter h, the parameter of hexagon is that is given 30, 30 units. And then
Okay.
this is the center of the, what I mean to say, the paragon. Then this
Right.
center, and this is point A, the vertex, the one vertex, and this is the last vertex if you are moving clockwise. So this is B. So
Okay.
now we have this triangle.
Yep.
Okay. So what is the parameter of this triangle? Now look at this. The question is what it totally changed. What I mean to say, we have started from the paragon, sorry, hexagon, and
Right.
the parameter is given, that is 30 unit. And then we are looking for the perimeter of this triangle. What I mean to say, the P of this triangle ABC. So I'm sure
Right.
that each and everything is over there, nothing is missing. So if you can do
Yeah.
the paperwork, it's also allowed. And you have the 60
Okay.
seconds. Okay, if you can solve this, please go on.
Okay.
It's a
I'll
practice.
try. Yeah.
It's a not
Yeah. Yeah.
a time. What I mean to say, this time is not the factor, but I am just bringing. These books are very helpful in this sense that you are in the real scenario of the test questions.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why I have taken up this. And whenever I will find the topic which is we have not talked, and what we can say that is very important, a lot of explanation is required. So definitely I will go back for this slideshow. Okay, anyhow, let's see what
Okay.
is the answer of this question.
Okay. I think I have it, but I'm not really too sure.
Okay, anyhow, no problem. It's I am with you.
Yeah. Okay. So what I have is 5 plus 10 square root of x as the perimeter,
Okay.
because I think the insides, like I remember there's like this thing where it's x is one side and then square root times x or something like that is the other sides. I can't
Okay,
remember what it
okay,
is
okay,
though.
okay, okay. Let me just ask few things. That if you are looking for the perimeter of the triangle. What I mean to say, this is the triangle. If we are just looking at this in isolation, this is the triangle.
Right.
Okay, this is C. Now, one thing is that I'm not drawing the proper drawing, but anyhow, we can say that these sides are equal. What I mean to say, the regular hexagon. So, first of all, what we'll have to do, that we should calculate the, we should measure the side of each side of this hexagon. So, what is the length of
Yeah.
this side?
5.
5,
All,
okay.
all the sides are 5, yeah.
5. So 5. So this one is a 5. So if you are just extracting this from this, so this must be 5. So we have the one side. Perimeter mean the sum of the three sides. Okay. So we have one side 5. Next thing is it's a geometrical property of the regular hexagon or regular, what we can say, any polygon, that if it's a regular, then all
Oh,
the
right.
sides are equal and their distance from the center is also equal. What I mean to say, if we
Oh,
have this polygon, this is a circular, so it has the fixed distance from this. If we
okay.
have this polygon, that is called the triangle, so once again the distance from the center is always equal. If we have this polygon, what I mean to say, the square, the four-sided figure, once again, the central point is located at the equal distance. If we have the pentagon, so once again, whatsoever the hexagon or any figure, so it has the equal distance. So in this way, this is the center, so that must be also equal to this. So that must be
Right.
5. Then once again,
Okay,
that
I
should be
get it.
5. So what should be the answer now?
It should be 15.
Okay, good. So 15 is the right answer. Absolutely right. So, but we'll have to recall all these features of the regular polygons. If it's a hexagon, no problem. So, if it is a regular, all the sides are equal, then its distance from the central point of this polygon, this hexagon must be equal. So that is that they are of the equal distances, and this can only be possible if you are drawing the exact figure, measuring using some tools. Then you will
Right.
find that the center is lying exactly at the same unit. What is that is the length of the side of hexagon. Anyhow, so it's a, I think in this way we are learning a lot of things. So the next time when you will find the problem about the polygon and especially about the regular polygon, and if the something is that is the problem is regarding the perimeter or the calculating of the sides or the center distance or whatsoever. So definitely you will keep all these points in your mind and you will get the right answer. Am I right?
Yep.
Okay, okay. So that's why we are just going to do we are doing this drill. So let me clear this one. Okay, if I'm clearing this, so so the fresh screen is over here. So what we'll have to do that let me draw once again. It's a geometrical. Last time we were talking about that. So that is the coordinate axis. If I can draw all these lines properly, so this is called the what we can say x-axis, the negative x-axis, the y-axis, and the negative y. Anyhow, it's a dash.
Yeah.
Origin is at the center. So this time, the four different points are given. Which of the following could be the coordinates of the fourth vertex? So I don't know about these points, but anyhow, that the parallelogram are located. The points are -1. The one is, uh, I'm just going to write over here first that A is the first point, which is -1, 2, -1 and 2. And
Okay.
B is the other vertex of this parallelogram, which has the coordinate 4, 3. Okay, 4, 3. And
All
the
right.
next one is the third one. That is the C corner or C vertex. That is -3, -4, -1. Okay. So D is the fourth one. And D we will have to find, that is XY. So this is all
Okay.
about the problem. So what we'll have to do, and if you can draw the parallelogram, so you can find the fourth one. Let's see, do some
Right.
paperwork, you will get the answer.
All right. Let me
This
try
is
drawing this
the,
thing out.
okay, just, these are the
Okay.
vertices, A, B,
Another
C,
page.
D, these are the vertices of the parallelogram.
All right. All right. There we go. Let me start now.
Okay, okay, let's see.
All right. A's -1, 2. And then B is. Okay, comma 3. Okay. One. That is C. Okay, how far is this down one? Okay. Okay, I think I have it.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, so I have 2 comma, is that 4? I think it's 2 comma 4. So X
Two,
is yeah.
okay, okay, okay. 2, 4. So I'm just also thinking about these points where that should be the fourth one. Okay. The one thing is that whatsoever the points is that those points must be the vertices of a parallelogram. Am I right? So
Yep.
if I don't have the grid, but anyhow, if I am just freehandly drawing this one, so A is, so my A is somewhere here. Am I right? This is the point.
You're
Let me change the color also. Okay,
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
this is A. Okay. So if I am just going to draw the second vertex, so I will find my next pointed somewhere here. That must be the B. Okay.
Right.
Then the third point is, that is the C1, that will be in the fourth quadrant, 3, and that is -1. 3 and -1, that should be over here.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the line. This is also the line. The fourth one we are looking for, that must be parallel to this third one, parallel to
Yeah.
this third one, this one, and equal to also in the length.
Okay.
That is, and then the fourth side must be also parallel to the opposite side and equal in length. Am I right?
Yeah.
So that should be. So this is the fourth one. So here, if we
Oh,
can
okay.
count, that is 2,
Comma 0.
0. Can you
Yeah,
see this?
I accidentally wrote my point A is -2, sorry, -1, -2.
Why? It's
So
a positive, absolutely.
yeah, I messed it up because I
Okay,
like wrote
okay,
it wrong
okay,
first,
okay,
and then when I
okay,
tried changing
okay,
it, yeah.
okay. It was, look at this. The question was just like what we can say. Uh, the the question asked for the possible coordinates of the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. That is the fourth vertex. Then
Right.
parallelogram is four-sided figure that has opposite sides that are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel. Use the
Yeah.
given xy plane to sketch out the given points. So this is the coordinate plane and we have sketched this. The fourth coordinate must be near the x-axis around 2. So this will be parallel to, this will be parallel to this and also parallel to this. Opposite sides are always parallel. So that's why we will have to just a simple drawing, no decoration, and you have the answer. Okay. So
Okay.
this would be the right answer. Okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
one thing more is that you are feeling boring. That this time you are also doing something. Previously,
Yeah.
whatsoever you were looking over there, you were the passive visitor,
Right.
passive viewer. So this time you are doing something, but anyhow, it's a part of the game that sometime you will have to do something. So
Yeah. I'm fine with it.
this time you are doing something. Are you not
Yeah.
feeling good or bad? Are you
No, I
feeling
feel
bad?
good. It's
Oh,
pretty
it's
nice.
okay.
No, no, no. It's good practice. Yeah, I like it.
Yes. So sometimes the students are just complaining that you are just putting on the task right from the beginning. So
No,
you
it's
will have to
good.
do. It's okay because a lot of time you are as a passive is viewer over there. You are just
Yeah.
looking the things I am explaining, and you are just shaking your hands and head also, and you are looking at that and you are
Right.
just the passive participant of that part of the game. But anyhow, it's a what we have learned through our experiences that first of all, put the student whatsoever is the your audience. Put them in a relaxed position. Start from that. That keep uh, in a position that they must just look at as relaxation, relax. When they are much more relaxed, then put them asked to do something. Initially, if you are putting them to the task, they will get it. They will think about that. This is a boredom. It's just a fatigue work. So if
Yeah.
you are enjoying over there, just simply looking the things. So one day you will have to do all the things at your end also. So this time you are on the active end also, but you will have to
Right.
do
Yeah.
something. So it's a good thing. It's a learning is a two-way affair. It's just like a love affair that both will have to come together. So
Right.
that's why I am thinking, and these books are in this sense are very helpful. That these are the real questions, are just like these questions. And if you are with me, so if you are thinking on those lines, so definitely it's a good sign. And whenever you will say that it's enough, I am just going to a relaxation. So then I will show you the slideshow also. Okay. So it's your own wish
Okay.
and will. And I am saying I am very much friendly. If you are saying that it's enough, I just want to relax. I want to show. I want to see the power show or whatsoever the slideshow is
Yeah.
there. So I will do that also. But anyhow, when the point will come that this point is slightly difficult, we should come out with the slideshow and we will have to explain that. Then we will come to the actual job. But anyhow, if you are with me, if you are doing all these, what we can say the sketch work mentally or on the paper, so it's absolutely right that one day you will have not to do all these things. So at that time, you will keep recall all these things immediately, and you
Yeah.
will act rightly. Anyhow, it was all about that. Now look at the. I'm just selecting any further problem. So let is this one that, oh yes, this is a new topic. But anyhow, if you have the idea, so we will continue this. Otherwise, I will explain. I will make a slideshow for this topic. That is all about the functions. Do you know what is function? Fx, gx, this
Yeah.
and that. So
Yeah.
before going to this problem, I will just call this the composition of the function. What I mean to say, that there is a f and it has a function of the function. What I mean to say, just like this is we call the composition of the function. This can also be written as that f dot, what I mean to say, this dot, this is a dot, and
Right.
then gx. So this is all about it's called the composition of the function. You can call
Okay.
anything else, but anyhow, what the things are going over here, that the function of the function of the function. Okay. So
Okay.
if you know that how we are just composing these function of the function, what we can say, that is defined. Let me show one thing is that if we can find out the, what I mean to say, uh, I am just thinking about that may not be at that difficult level, but anyhow, if we are just thinking about that m of the x. So you can call it f of the x also. That
Okay.
is defined to x minus 2. Okay, this is the one function. You can call it f also, f of x. And the next one is g
Okay.
of x. G of x, that is this one. That g of x is defined in this way. Under root x over 3.
Okay.
So we are looking for the value of what? We are looking for the value of what I mean to say, if I'm just getting the space over here, so we can call it that. Now look at this. We are looking for the this one. Okay,
Okay.
what we are looking for, the m f of, what I mean to say, f of g x, that is what, at some point, that point is x is equal to 9.
Okay.
So what should be the answer of this one?
Do you want me to
Any,
tell me right now or
okay, any try it.
like in
But
my notebook?
if you are not getting answer, so it will just guide me. Just this topic must be explained a little bit more.
I think I know what to do, but I think if you explain it right, like,
Okay, okay,
I think that
okay.
would be better.
That's why I am thinking this, that you might not have gone through your syllabus or your topics till now. But anyhow, it's very simple in the sense that I will come out with the slideshow tomorrow. Definitely, I will collect the material and then I will formulate it into the presentable form, and we'll talk about the composition of the functions. But very quickly, if you can understand, it's very simple in the sense that the question asked for the value of this fx of the gx. I am used to read this, that f of the gx, function of the gx, okay, when x is 9.
Okay.
For calculation involving compound function, it's a called compound function, function of the function. Start with
Okay.
the inner function, starting from the inner function, and work outward. Inner function is gx. So if you are looking for the gx, so we will have to put the value of 9x over here. So what we have over there, So this will be 3 over 3, 1. So the value of the inner function is 1. Am I right? Are you getting this point?
Yeah.
If you are getting this, so this will make very easy. So this is the inner value of the inner function. The equation, the question also provides the fx is 2x. So this value is also given, this one.
Yeah.
Now what we'll have to do, that we will make it that the 2x minus 2. That is, so use that in conjunction. What I mean to say, that 9x. So it's what we can call, to calculate the final value of f of 9. So let me just talk about that, that this is the f of, this is what we can call it, that the function f, that is what we say, that we have just calculated the value of that, that was 1. So that's why this will become g of 9. What I mean to say, this one. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
This one is just slightly complicated in
Right.
the sense that we have started from here, written as this. So gx, that we have find the value of gx, that is 1. So g9 at that point. So what we'll have to do, we will have to consider this one, that our variable is now gn. So gn mean that this will become just like that. So if we are looking the value of this, so this will become 2, and x is now this one, gx, f of x, you can say the capital X, fx, and g9, we have the value of g9. So we will have to put g9, that is 1, and then minus 2. So I think 0
All
is
right.
the answer. 0 is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
So 0 is the answer of this function. But anyhow, definitely I will talk about the function from here, from this question, what we can say, that function, these are the topics of my
Okay.
presentation at any time. The function, their composition of the function,
Okay.
composition, then the function of the function, that f, and that is also the function of gx. So inward, we would have to solve this at particular given value, x is equal to a, then we will have to go outward. So in this way,
Okay.
so definitely I will get the material, and very soon we'll come out with this slideshow. But anyhow, it's simple in the sense that if you are just starting from this, put the value, given value over here, and then put that value for this fx, whatsoever the fx is given. But anyhow, we will come out with the little more detail. Okay.
Okay.
So just coming back to the, what I mean to say, the question, let me check out what is that. Okay. So last time we were talking about that, the very simple question is coming out, that is the test of your STM, the short-term memory.
Right.
So last time we were talking about that. So let me clear this one and just type, what is the slope of, okay, this was the what we were talking about yesterday, that was the 5x minus 11y is equal to 7. This is the equation of the straight line, and we are
Right.
looking for the slope in the standard coordinate plane. What I mean to say, that we are looking for the slope of this line. What I mean to say, the slope is equal to m, and m is the question mark. So
Okay.
I am sure that you can solve this. Last time we were talking about that.
Right.
So what should be the slope?
So this is the slope formula. So we're gonna have to.
You can make use
Is
a
it
paper or pencil.
Yeah, okay,
Use
that's
the
what I'm gonna
paper
do.
of pen and convert it into slope form,
Okay.
slope format of the line, and you'll get the answer.
All right. Okay. Five. Okay. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but is it wait,
Okay.
actually hold on. Wait, let me
So
try it again, I guess.
uh,
Uh
I just writing this one that if you can transform this equation in this form, then you will get the answer very quickly. What I mean to say, this is the slope intercept form. Am I right? We have talked about
yeah.
this.
Yeah, we have.
Then
But
you will get the value of m, that is the slope, the required and desired value.
right, I don't know if I can can I do this one without a calculator? I don't know.
No, no,
Like,
you will have to just bring over here. That will go over there, and definitely you will get
yeah,
this
yeah.
one.
Um,
Just the equation is given. Convert this
right.
to this format. It's very simple. Just
Oh, wait, is it just five?
5x minus 11y. Y is all alone. M, that may be of fractional. That may be any number. M is the slope.
Right. So isn't it that if we move the, what do you call it, seven, then it turns to equals, oh wait, no. We have to get, we could get to y equals mx plus b, right? If
Yes.
we wanted to. Oh, okay. We'll just do that then.
It's a matter of second only. Just like this.
Uh, okay. Well,
Okay, what you are doing? Just
I don't
one
know.
step,
I'm kind of,
one step more away. That is the equation. What I am doing? Look at me. So five
okay.
x. Okay, let me just within the second. 5x remains over here. 7 is coming
All
over
right.
here, and this will go on the other side. This will become the
Right.
positive. And one more step is this y is equal to. Look at this, 5 over 11 x and minus 7 over 11. Am I right? So
Okay.
this
Yeah.
is exactly matching with this one. Matching or not matching?
Oh. Oh, I don't even know what I was doing. I was just doing
How,
something else.
what I am doing, looking at
Yeah,
this,
that's so,
so
yeah.
I am being on the, I am doing in the simple way. So you are just making the calculation complex. If there is easy way, then why you are going here and
Yeah.
there? That's why I've written this format, that you will have to transform the given equation this format. So what I
Okay.
have done, just moving this one over there, this is over here, and thus divide that C maybe that is C is the y-intercept actually, whatsoever that is, that may be of the fraction. So the required and desired answer this time is 5 over 11. Am I right?
Okay. Yeah.
This is the M.
Right. That's the slope.
Okay. So sometimes the
Okay.
problem is easy. So that's why I've gone through those, so many slides. So last time you were talking about that. Have you received
Okay.
those slideshow I have sent yesterday?
I didn't get a chance to see it yesterday. I went straight to sleep.
Yeah, okay, just check it. The last
Yeah, I
time we were
will.
talking about the equation of the straight line, point slope form, and all those slides, those were, of course, 15 plus slides were there. So after immediately I have sent to you, and both the ticks were blue. So what I can check my mobile. That if I am sending something, if you are not looking at that, so there is no way to. What I mean to say
Yeah.
that you must see all those things. That's not what we can say that something else. I am not going to send something else. Just what we can say, we'll talk about this topic, what we are doing.
Right.
So if I am sending something, that is not anything private to you. That is just regarding all these things. So if
Right.
you are just double clicking it and the arrows are turning blue, so I am thinking that you must have seen that. Okay, let me check it where I have sent you all these slides. Okay, this was, let me check if I am missing. Okay, yeah, yes, that was sent at 7:50, 6:59 at my time in the morning yesterday, and that
Right.
is a PPS power slow side. That the topic was over here. I'm just reading the WhatsApp message.
Yeah.
SAT dash ACT dash point. You should also check your mobile, your cell
Okay.
phone. Can you check it just now? It's
Yeah, I can
with
open it right now.
you will find these slideshow if something is wrong, that if these are not going to you properly, so I think you should think
No,
about
they're
that.
coming through.
Why you have double tick? Double ticks are blue.
Oh, that's when you like look at it. I didn't like actually open it though.
Open it,
Like
please
when you
open.
go on to like the messages, like and
Okay,
you
okay,
just
okay,
look at
okay.
it. Yeah.
So please open them.
Yeah, I will.
Would you like to do this? It's not a private message. It's just concerning about all these things.
Right. Uh, what do you mean? Like, what do you want to do?
I want to do that if I am sending some slides, so please
Oh yeah,
open
yeah, yeah.
those
Yeah, I
slides
will. I will.
and just see that if you have gone through these slides in your own time today, this simple problem was that matter of only the seconds.
Right. Yeah.
So within the fraction of the second, you can solve this question if you have gone through these slides in your own time. So that's why we are taking this much time for a simple question. Anyhow, please, once again, what I am choose to teach my students or whatsoever when they are with interacting with me. So it's the best way just to come to the terms of the teacher. What I mean to say, this time I am with you are with me.
Right.
So if we are on the board, we both are on the same page. So what I am looking from you, so that is very necessary. So it will a source of encouragement for me, and the not the last, but we can say it's a source of satisfaction for me also, that I
Okay.
am doing something on the other end, something is being done rightly.
Right.
So that should be according to what we can say the desired tone. That is that
Okay.
if I am doing something, you will have to do also.
Okay.
So, okay, when I am sending some slides or something else, so you must please, when I look at this, so the blue ticks, the both the ticks are blue. So I am very much happy that you have seen that, and definitely will ask something, you will discuss with me, and you will get all those. So it's once again that you must eat. Okay. So I think
Okay.
it's all about that. So tomorrow we will meet once again, come out with a new topic, and we will continue all these practicing session, and we will show We will talk about a lot of new topics which we haven't yet discussed all those. So it's good. But one thing is that be with me and do
Right.
whatsoever I am just asking you or expecting you that you must do this, and read all these slides. A lot of things I have sent, so I think that might not have been treated in this way, which I am
Yeah, I've
used
opened
to.
most of them. Yeah, but
Okay,
I just went to sleep last
okay,
night.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
No problem, no problem. It's a part of the game that repeatedly we are used to say and revise and give the tips and tricks all the time. We are used to say these type of the things to our students. So it's a no matter. It's something new. All the students are they will have to be pushed hard. But anyhow, it's a thank you very much. It's a time to say Allah Hafiz. I will have to leave now. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.